Hey guys, welcome back to pigfarmja876. Welcome back to the farm, welcome back to the channel, and welcome back to a brand new video. We're here today at the farm going to get some work done. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And now let's get on into the video. Alright guys, so we're just here getting some pipe ready to cut to make into gutter, because I tell you guys already in the last video it's raining time now in Jamaica, so we have to ensure that we set gutters, because once the rain starts to fall, then water will not be at the pipe, so we have to set up gutter to catch rainwater for our pig and also our chickens, because we now have chickens on our farm. Two down, one more to go. Alright, so I'll wait on that to finish cut. We have a little solar light going on for our fowl coop. Yeah, that's how it's looking, and that provides light should in case power is out in our area. We still want the fowl them to have light, so we just buy a little solar light. Cost around $6,000, I think. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks from the inside. Yeah, so that is it. In the day we have it turned off. We also get a remote to work with it. Turn it off during the day. Put up the gutters now. Where's the buckle on something? While they're finished setting up the gutter. Look at Bentley, guys. Alright, now that all three is on, we're going to tie it down with some construction string to keep it secure. I know the rain is heavy. Water is heavy, sorry. Shock away, yeah. Alright, so we're testing. It can come that way, yeah? Alright. Alright guys, so right about now the boys are taking some building blocks to make the base for the drum, the tank to sit on, because we don't want it to be flat in the dirt, we want to have a little height, so we're putting some building blocks to make the base. Time to test again. This done. Moving on to the farm. Hi guys, welcome back to the farm. So we have these two sister cows. We put them back to Bran since this week. They might took Bran service already, I'm not sure. We are going to keep the Bran in with them for probably next week to ensure that they are pregnant. We also move our baby piglets from over the move them from over the diamond wire pen and move them into this new apartment. That is them. We lost about 2-3 because right now we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. We lost 2 of them. They got sick and died, so we give them some antibiotic medicine. I didn't remember what's the exact name of it, but if I can find the bag, I'll put the, a picture on the screen for you guys. If not, I'm not sure what it's called, so you might not see it. However, they are looking much better, and we also use Hyprovit because honestly guys, they weren't looking so nice as how they're looking now. This little brown one is still looking a bit but you know, they have come a long way. So these are our new weaners. I'm going to show you guys the old one in a short while from now, but that's how they're looking. We also bought a new sow. What do you guys think? She's looking like she's a landrace because she got a lot of hair and she's fat and short, as you guys can see. But yeah, that's her. She might be pregnant because the owner said that she should be pregnant. We're not sure. Hopefully in a few months we can see. That's we're gonna put our service brand in with her. But she's looking nice, guys. What you guys think about her? That's her. Look at how these 3 pigs are looking. They're gilts, you know, because they're past 6 months. They're no longer piglets. Nor weaners, they are gilts. The one in the middle can take Bran probably next 2 months. What do you guys think? They're looking amazing. Over here we have Mindy. She should be pregnant because she took Bran service way back when. Also, our fat sow and her 2 piglets. OMG guys, the white one, I don't know what happened to him. Him just look puny like him about to die. That is so sad because she only have 3 piglets and these were the 2 that survived. And now one of them looking like they're gonna die soon. However, the stripe one, oh my god, is giving real pig farm in Jamaica 876 piglets. Look at how he's looking. You guys see all that thickness? Both of them are brown. But as I said, ooh. And yeah, he's gone sucking breast while the other one is just sitting there. So he probably die. I'm not sure. I didn't want that though, but you know, what has to happen has to happen. These 3 piglets, they are looking amazing. We probably will put them on Sunday because they are looking really nice, guys. They are just 6 weeks old. Nothing to say about this sow. This sow has not yet taken Bran service. Shut up. Come. OMG. So this one, guys, has not yet taken Bran service. We'll probably buy semen for her at Agro Grace. I'm not sure as yet, but we'll keep you guys updated on this. So look at how the piglets are looking. Weaners, sorry. This one, guys, has improved the most because not sure if you guys remember how it was looking a few months ago. I wouldn't sell him because it was looking undergrowth, but now look at how it's looking. Like a real wiener. The others are looking nice as well. This I will probably butcher her. And this one has not yet taken brand service as yet, but she's looking really amazing. Alright guys, so I refilled all their pans with feeding. As you guys can see, I have the automatic water system. I'm gonna put these 2 pans up in the nursery for the baby chicks. They don't have the water feeder because they still have to get their hypervit medicine for 2 weeks, so we use the regular water pans. And I show you guys the entire farm already. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys do enjoy our videos. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in our next video. Until then, bye bye.